Hey there, in this video I'm going to compare the specs of the Mob 2 Pro Xiaomi with the S10 Plus and what are the things that you need to know. So when we look here on the suction power, we can see that there is only 1000 difference. The S10 Plus got better suction power. Now when we can look further, the battery life is also better for the S10 Plus. Then we get a navigation, so the 2 Pro got the advanced LDS laser navigation and the Xiaomi got 360 laser navigation. I can't really say which one is better, so it's a tie. Then you can have mopping system. So here you can have vibrating mopping with adjusted water levels, and the Xiaomi got intelligent control with adjusted water levels, and in this regard, this is like advanced mopping. Now the app control got both customizable cleaning schedules, virtual walls, multi-floor mapping. Now the dustbin capacity is same for both. Then the water tank capacity is better for Pro. The noise level is better for Plus. You can see right here that it's more quieter, and the weight is for the Pro because it's got less weight. And it really depends like where you're buying it from. I don't know where you're from, so don't have the price specified there. So that's pretty much it. Now to summarize this whole video, with the S10 Plus you have better suction power, better battery life, better than also noise level, but you don't have better mopping system, a better water tank capacity. But again, it really depends which one you want to go for. But for me, it's like use your own intuition and your own guidance. I know it sounds strange, but do you know why I always choose good products and I don't never watch any reviews? Is that because I just trust the intuition that I have. Everything that I bought, I was like, yeah, I should have it. And I just buy it. And I know it's going to be a good choice because there is just this feeling of not resistant, that I don't have to think about if buying it. So what I encourage you to do is just trust your own intuition. Try it out. Is it when you feel that I should have the S10 Plus for some reason, then buy it. Trust that. Trust that the feeling within you, and life is going to be easy. Like, I'm the proof of that. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.